In this video, we are to compute yet another question on statistics. Now, we are given the group data and we are asked to calculate for the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation given the data. How do we go about this? Now, solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. First, the mean, which is denoted as this, is equal to summation of f of x all over summation of f. The standard deviation is equal to summation of f of x minus x bar all squared all over summation of f. And the standard deviation is simply the square root of what we have as the variance, which is summation of f of x minus x bar all squared all over summation of f. That is what we have as the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation. For we to compute all of this, we need to rewrite this table. We need to form a table on this. Now, we have amounts. We have amounts, which is our x values. We have number of students. Which is our f of x value, which is our f values, which is the frequency. Of course, we also have f of x, but first let's start with this. So we have our amount, which is x values, to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. We also have number of students, which is 1, 3, 2, 5, 1, and 4. Now, how do we get our f of x? Our f of x value. Our f of x value is this multiplied by this. That means the values here multiplied by the values here. Now, for this, we have 1 times 10. 1 multiplied by 10, we have 10. 3 multiplied by 20, we have 60. 2 multiplied by 30, we have 60. 5 multiplied by 40, we have 200. 200. 50 multiplied by 1, we have 50. And 60 multiplied by 4 is the last we have on that list there. 60 multiplied by 4, we have 240. The next on the table will be x minus x bar. X minus x bar. Now, we don't know our mean. For me to calculate our mean, we'll have to compute, we'll first get the total of this, summation of f of x, which is equal to, that means to sum the whole of this. We have 10 plus 60 plus 60 plus 200 plus 50 plus 240, which is 620. Now we have x minus x bar. First, we calculate the mean. We have to calculate the mean. Let's write it out here. 1. The mean, which is x bar, is equal to summation of f of x all over summation of f. So summation of f of x is equal to 620. And what do we have as summation of f? Summation of f is equal to, we have to add the whole of this. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4. We have 16. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4. Sorry. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4. We have 16. So 620 divided by 16 620 divided by 16, we have 38.75. 38.75 is what we have as our mean. 38.75 is what we have as our mean. Now, how do we calculate for x minus x bar? It means all the values for x minus what we have as our mean. So 10 minus 38.75. 10 minus 38.75, we have 28.75. Sorry, negative 28.75. Also, 20 minus 38.75, we have negative 18.75. We have 30 minus 38.75. We have minus 8.75. 40, we have 40 minus 38.75. We have 1.25. We have 50 minus 38.75. We have 11.25. And we have 60 minus 38.75. We have 21.25. So this is what we have. Now, we also have x minus x bar all squared. We have that. So it means we have to take the square of this. That means negative 28.75 multiplied by negative 28.75 will give us positive a value. So 28.75 squared, which is 826.56. 826.56. Also 18.75 squared is equal to 351.56. We have 8.75 squared, which is 76.56. We have 1.25 squared. We have 1.56. We have 11.25 squared, which is 126.56. We have 21.25 squared. We have 451.56. Now, we can also, because of what we have here, f of summation of f of x times x minus x bar squared, we now have f of x minus x bar squared. So this is another column we'll have. It then means that we multiply our f value by this. Of course, now 1 multiplied by this to get here. The same thing as 826.56. Also 3 multiplied by 351.56. 3 multiplied by 351.56. We have 1054.68. Now we have 2 multiplied by 76.56. 2 multiplied by 76.56. We have 15.12. 5 multiplied by 1.56. 5 multiplied by 1.56. We have 7.8. 7.8. And we have 1 multiplied by this, of course. We have 1 26.56, and we have 4 multiplied by this, 451.56. So we have 1806.24. So we have summation of f of x minus x bar all squared to be equal to, now we have to sum the whole of this. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now we have 826.56. We are now adding the whole of that. 826.56 we have plus 1054.68 plus 15.12 plus 7.8 plus 126.56 plus 1806.24. So we have here 3836.96. 3836.96. That's what we have. That's what we have. Now we can now calculate for our variance and our standard deviation. So we have to clean the side of the board to do that. Now, if we have gotten all those values, it will be very easy for we to calculate for our variance and our standard deviation. So we have to clean the side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now, number 2, the variance, which is denoted as this, is equal to, we wrote it down to, to be summation of f of x minus x bar squared all over summation of f, which is equal to, now we have summation of f of x, summation of f multiplied by x minus x bar squared is what we have here. Is what we have here. So we can now write it here to be 3836.96 divided by summation of f, we have it as 16. So divided by 16, which is equal to 3836.96 divided by 16 is equal to 239.81. So this becomes our variance. Our variance is this. Now 3. The standard deviation is equal to square root of what we have here. Summation of f x minus x bar all squared all over summation of f, which is equal to square root of course, the whole of this is what we have here. Now, we'll just put whatever we got as the variance to be 239 15.81, which is equal to, because the standard deviation is the square of the variance. So we have square root of 239.81. We have 15.49. So the standard deviation is equal to 15.49. So this is how it can be computed. This is how it can be computed. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.